how would you integrate this equation? There's a lot of different ways you could do it. I've heard that some people use like long division, which to me is insane, but how I would do it is to simply split this up into two different things. So what you're going to get is how many of the bottom coefficient of x fits in the top coefficient of x. And we'll notice that that's just 5. 5 of these x's fit into this x. And then what you're going to want to do is write that in terms of the bottom one. So 5 times the bottom one on the top of the fraction. And then you want to equal that to negative 3. So 5 times 2, which is these two numbers, you want that to equal negative 3 when it multiplies out. So 5 times 2 is 10. So to make it negative 3 at the end, we'll need to subtract 13. And you can put that over the original thing. And you'll notice that when you expand this out, it's just going to equal the same as the top one. Only this is a lot easier to integrate. So that you notice that you can split it up. And then this becomes really easy because, well, you can just cancel the x's here. So you get the integral of 5, since it's got no variable x, you just add x to it. And this one's a little more complicated, but what you want to do is you want to make the top equal to the coefficient of x on the bottom. So that's just 1. So you want to put the 13 to the front. And now, once you do that, the differential of x plus 2 is what's already on the top. And when you have a differentiative over the original, you'll know that the integration of that is just ln of the original. So in this case, it should be ln of x plus 2. However, we pulled out the 13, so we need to multiply by 13. And of course, you can't forget your constant of integration, so you add plus c. And that's your answer.